Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Do you speak English?
A little. Are you American?
Yes,
Where are you from?
I'm from California.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Hey, um, excuse me, are you American?
No,
Do you speak English?
a little, but not very well.
How long have you been here?
2 months.
What do you do for work?
I'm a student. How about you?
I'm a student.
Excuse me, what's your name?
My name is Ali. What's your?
Clifford.
You speak English very well.
Thank you.
Do you know what time is it?
Sure. It's 5:10 p.m.
What did you say?
I said 5:10 p.m.
Oh, thanks. Yours from Language Master.
Aldi, would you like something to eat?
No, I'm full.
Do you like something to drink?
Yes, I'd like some coffee.
Sorry, I don't have any coffee. I'm an apprentice.
That's okay. I'll have a glass of water.
Here you are.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Hey, Cliff, where are you going?
I'm going to store. I need to buy something.
Really? I need to go to store.
Would you like to come with me?
Uh, yes, let's go together.
Should we go now or later?
Now,
What?
now will be better.
Okay, let's go.
Um, should we walk?
Let's run. It will get rain.
Hey,